Okay, morning. Good morning, students. So I think you are fine, and we are discussing on the next chapter. Okay, that is related to disease, and in the study video, we have discussed how we can prevent ourselves from communicable disease. Okay, so today also we'll continue the same topic. So one shortly I'll revise the things which we have learned yesterday. So preventing measure of communicable disease. Okay, after the disease we are suffering, the disease is transmitted, I will go for the treatment. But before that, okay, there are some of the method by which we can prevent ourselves, okay, from this communicable disease. That is, first is use of safe water, safe drinking water, consumption of safe drinking water, that also prevent us from communicable disease. So in the study class we have discussed about safe water, consuming drinking safe water, different method, okay, how the water sources they are polluted, and also different way how we can purify the drinking water, that means by boiling, by filtration, by using different kinds of chemicals, and also by Sodis method. They are the some of the way how we can prevent the water, how we can make the water germs free. So the way to purify the water, purification of water. Now if we are consuming safe water, if we are drinking pure water, we will be prevented from communicable disease. Why? Because water is also one of the main source, okay, which transfer the different kinds of germs, different kinds of these pathogens, bacteria, virus, from person to person. So by consuming good water, healthy water, we will also prevent ourselves from the communicable disease. Next, we'll discuss today on the next topic, that is safe and balanced diet. Okay, now drinking water is necessary. In the same way, food is also necessary to be healthy, to maintain our health. Okay, so only not consuming food, the food should be safe, and the diet should contain all the nutrients, needed nutrients to our body. In the previous chapter we have discussed about the different kinds of nutrients, different kinds of food. So there are some nutrients which prevents our body against the germs, they fight against the germs, even that is in our body. Okay, so today we'll discuss on the same topic. Human beings need a safe and balanced diet for better health and prevention of communicable disease. Now, in the present case, if you see different media, they are saying to drink hot water. Why? Because hot water is purified, germs free. After that, consumption of citrus fruit, they are good in vitamin C. And if you consume vitamin C in the more amount, what happens? It builds our immunity power. It builds our immunity power, which helps to fight against the bacteria and virus. So that is also one of the way to be prevented from COVID-19. Okay, by consuming vitamin C, and vitamin C, citrus fruit like lemon, okay, citrus amilo, okay, cod, they are rich in vitamin C. If you consume in a daily way, it also helps to prevent, helps to fight against these pathogens, against this bacteria and virus. So human beings need a safe and balanced diet for better health and prevention from communicable disease. Okay, if the food is stale, kept open, stale, basi, kept open, it is not protected, it is not covered. Okay, if the food is infected by flies or deflied, it may transfer disease. Now what happens, as the water also, these some of the insect like this mosquito, housefly, they also plays the vital role in the transformation of germs from one body to another body. Now they cannot directly, like flies, they cannot directly inject the germs inside our body, but through the food it can transfer the germs. But some of the insect like mosquito, while biting, it can transmit the communicable disease. Okay, but these flies or different other insect, through the medium of food, okay, it can transmit the disease from person to person. So we should the food should not be stale. Okay, that should not be kept in the open place. Why? Because flies, it can transfer the germs. Food must be handled safely while cooking and serving. Okay, while preparing food also. Okay, healthy habits, cleanliness, that should be maintained. So while cooking and also while serving food, okay, there should be handled safely. That means safely means that we should pay attention through the cleanliness. While preparing food, we should clean the food. Okay, while handling, we using different utensil while serving, all the things that should be clean. We should never eat street food, junk foods, and also are not good foods. Okay, these are street food. Now street food, even it looks spicy, delicious, attractive, tasty also, but what happens, the quality cannot be identified, whether that is prepared 2 days ago, or it is fresh, or it is 10 to 15 days ago. They heat that. Okay, that looks nice, attractive, tasty, but what happens, it may be stale. Okay, it may be prepared many days earlier. In the same way, junk food are also ready made food. These foods are prepared, okay, many days earlier, so they are not good foods. They are not good for health. They does not boost our immunity power. Fresh fresh fruits, fresh vegetable, fresh food, they boost our immunity power. They provide enough amount of vitamins, okay, needed by our body. But these street foods, stale food, they does not provide enough amounts of vitamin needed by our body, so they are not good food. We should not eat we should eat a fresh and balanced diet to get all the necessary nutrients. Okay, to get all the necessary nutrients, we should eat balanced diet. And about the nutrients, detailedly we have discussed in the previous chapter. Balanced diet, that is not expensive, but that includes all the necessary nutrients for our body. It keeps our immunity intact. It helps to fight against the disease. Okay, it boosts our immunity. It keeps our immunity active, which helps to fight against the different kinds of disease, different kinds of communicable disease. So eating and drinking pure water, and eating safe and balanced diet, that also help us to prevent from communicable disease. So students, in coming video we will discuss some of the other way how to prevent from communicable disease.